Have you ever thought about creating your own garden meditation space? Imagine a tranquil oasis tailored to your personal taste and needs, right in your backyard. With numerous benefits for mind and body, it's an idea worth considering. Creating a garden meditation space can be a rewarding experience. Let's explore how to do it. The first step to creating a garden meditation space is to choose the right spot. Look for a serene corner in your garden that's bathed in natural light and whispers tranquility. Once you've found the perfect spot, it's time to start designing your space. Designing your garden meditation space is where your creativity can shine. Consider incorporating elements that speak to your soul. Perhaps that's a variety of lush plants, a comfortable seat nestled under a shady tree, or the tranquil sounds of a water feature. The key is to personalize this space. Whether it's a stone path lined with your favorite flowers or a private nook filled with fragrant herbs, make it inviting, make it relaxing, make it yours. Remember, a garden meditation space should be a reflection of you. Make it as unique and personal as you like. Creating your garden meditation space is just the beginning. Maintaining it is the next step. The key to a beautiful, inviting garden is regular upkeep. This doesn't have to be a chore. In fact, the act of tending to your plants, trimming the branches, or even just sweeping the leaves can be a form of meditation in itself, bringing you closer to nature and to your own inner peace. With a well-maintained garden meditation space, you'll have a tranquil spot to escape to anytime you want. Creating a garden meditation space is a simple process that yields significant benefits. To recap, all you need to do is select the right spot, design the space to your liking, and maintain it for continued enjoyment. This peaceful sanctuary not only enhances the beauty of your garden, but also provides a tranquil retreat where you can meditate and rejuvenate. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found this guide helpful. Create your garden meditation space and enjoy the serenity it brings.